Hello guys, welcome to my channel. There was some problems installing updates in Windows. Let's see what to do. Go to settings. Go to troubleshoot. Other troubleshoot. Windows Update run here. Yes, close it. Go to CMD. Run as administrator. Yes. Here, check on description for this command. Copy this. Tap this bar. Right click. Eject. Paste. Press enter. This process will take 10 minutes at least. That's why I'm skipping this. Next method I will show you. Copy from this description. Copy. Tap this bar. Right click. Eject. Paste. Press enter. This process will take 10 minutes, so I'm cutting this. You done after done this, go start menu and restart. That's it. This problem will definitely help you today.